Here is the latest news from international news channels. Global developments today highlight escalating geopolitical tensions, humanitarian crises, and climate activism. Key events include a deadly attack in Ukraine, arrests in Hong Kong, and growing international scrutiny over migration and environmental policies. Major conflicts and security issues. A 12-year-old Ukrainian girl has died following a missile strike on an apartment building, underscoring the ongoing civilian toll in the war. Russia has handed down life sentences to 8 individuals linked to an attack on a strategic bridge connecting Crimea to mainland Russia. Israeli forces killed 2 Palestinian men in the northern West Bank, drawing condemnation from observers who labeled the incident a shocking crime. Hong Kong police have made multiple arrests while emergency crews search for survivors after a major incident involving structural damage or fire. Political and diplomatic developments. U.S. Envoy Marshall Billingsley and Trump advisor Steve Witkoff are reported to have advised Russia on leveraging a potential Trump presidency to shape a Ukraine peace deal. Canada's energy minister resigned over controversy surrounding a proposed oil pipeline deal, citing ethical concerns. Former Peruvian leader Pedro Castillo, once dubbed the President of the Poor, received an 11-year sentence for rebellion after a failed coup attempt. Migration and climate concerns. The U.S. has suspended immigration processing for Afghan applicants following a shooting involving National Guard soldiers, sparking concern among refugee advocacy groups about rising xenophobia. Former President Donald Trump cited lax migration policies as a top national security threat amid renewed political debate. Climate activist Greta Thunberg was banned from entering Venice after protesters dyed the Grand Canal green to protest environmental degradation. Global tiger trafficking remains severe, with nearly 9 big cats seized every month on average due to illegal wildlife trade. Region key event. Ukraine civilian death after missile strike. Middle East Israeli forces kill 2 Palestinians. USA suspension of Afghan visa processing. Peru ex-president sentenced to 11 saal. Hong Kong police arrests, rescue operations ongoing. The world faces overlapping challenges, from war zones to political instability and climate emergencies. Prioritizing diplomacy, human rights, and sustainable policies is essential to addressing these interconnected crises effectively. Please subscribe to my YouTube educational channel and show your support with a like. You can also find us on our Facebook page. For additional educational resources, visit our website at www.studentsknowledge.com. Thank you.